Hi, welcome to one more internship videos which is opened in the IBM organization. In this video, we will discuss about the quantum internship program and what is the program and what is the eligibility criteria to select these internships, and is this opportunity is a good opportunity for the freshers who are applying, and in this opportunity is this conversion to full-time employment is there, is it a job offer, and is the application process is easy, and how to apply to this position, and my opinion about this internship. All this information we can discuss about video. Okay, let's begin the video. So this internship program name is research intern in the quantum. Okay, the students who are looking in the quantum physics domain to get an internship offer to get a full-time employment, those who can apply to this internship program, this is one of the greatest opportunity for the interns. Okay, now one who are selecting as an intern, what their responsibility to do they in this organization. So I will explain in that. Okay, first they need to work on the collaborative quantum research. Okay, they will work alongside with the world class scientists and engineers to explore cutting edge research in the quantum computing, like participating in the developing new quantum algorithms and protocols that can be used in various applications like optimizations and cryptography and machine learning. All these you are all aware, like IBM's Qiskit applications, right? So that is an their open source framework that is developed by the IBM. So if you are working with the IBMs, they developed the open source framework Qiskit. Okay, in the Qiskit you can write an programming language, you can test your model, all these things like develop optimization of the code, running experiments on the computers, quantum computers and simulators. All these things you can experiences in the IBMs. If you are selected as an intern and you are working in the IBMs in this biscuit, after this internship, suppose if you did not get a full-time opportunity, also if you get all these ideas, that will be a plus point. We are working with other organization. If now let's check about the eligibility criteria, like what is the qualifications required for this. Okay, mainly they are looking for the BE graduates, and the preferred is ME, MTech or equivalent or PhD graduates. Okay, the department wise computer science background, like IT or related disciplines, AI, artificial intelligence, ML, data science related engineering disciplines also can apply to this internship, and electronics branches like triple E and telecommunications, those branches also can apply to these internships. Okay, and as you are aware, like we are posted almost 4 videos on different organizations like Geotab, Qualcomm, Oracle and Arigo, and few more internships videos the IBM also, like AI and security domain videos we published already. Please add those videos also and apply to these internships if you are eligible. Okay, for same kind of content, please subscribe to our channel Delightful Developers. How to apply to this internship? Okay, will prefer LinkedIn referral, but internships don't go via LinkedIn. Please apply via their official website. Okay, then only will be considered the application process. This is a 3-step application. Okay, first you need to apply via official link. Okay, we will provide in this video descriptions. Then after you apply via that official link, you will get an one candidate reference number in this your mail. Okay, the mail subject will be recruitment no reply, and this is the mail ID. Okay, after this step you can find one registration form in your mail only. Okay, in that mail, please open this form and fill that form. That is the final step. Okay, after you complete all this step, you then only will be eligible for the this internship. Okay, the official link for this internship will be posted in the video descriptions. Let's click on this internship link, and this is an job posting website. Okay, Intern Quantum, this is the internship position name, and this is an job ID, and here they clearly mentioned like employment type is full time, like they have opportunity to convert to the full time. So growth path they mentioned like can be converted to regular hire based on the performance. Okay, if you perform well, they will be easily converted to the full time opportunity. The skills required, like they are expecting any one coding language like Python or so. Compared to the Java, the Python is easy and it is a scripting language. Learn the Python. Okay, the data structures, algorithms, and problem solving skills, and some quantum circuits, quantum knowledge. Those are the required skills. Okay, if you all these concepts, and please refresh one more time and professional experience they mentioned like and ML fundamentals like so unsupervised learnings like natural language processing, image processing. Those in the location wise they mentioned like multiple locations, and go through all this information. Then click on the apply now. When you click on the apply now, this page, and in this page please fill all these forms and upload your resume, and then click on the join their talent network along with, and then you will get the email to your then the registration form you need to fill. Okay, all these three steps please follow, then only with your HR you will be considered for the internships. Okay, now last part of the video, my opinion about this internship for the quants who are learning the quantum physics and who are interested in the quantums. IBM internship in the quantum best opportunity. Okay, if you get these internships, you have complete visibility on the quantum's real-time experiences, and you is the one of the pioneer in the quantum physics. Okay, they have their open source models, and they have the complete end-to-end process related to the quantums. Okay, if you get this opportunity, you will be have a better career. Please apply to these internships and gain the knowledge. Once if you get the complete information, and if you complete outside visibility about the quantums, okay, and get a chance to work with the IBM. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe to this channel to support us and for same kind of content. Thanks for watching.